IGLU Cold Systems upright cabinets, one-door freezers with 600 and 700 litre capacities, two-door freezers with 12 and 1400 litre capacities, one-door fridges with 6 and 700 litre capacities, and two-door fridges with 12 and 1400 litre capacities. All stainless steel construction and environmentally friendly refrigeration, HACCP controls and energy saving features. IGLU, arguably the best in the market.